Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be setting up the week in my daily duo for the week of August 15th through the 21st. So I'm using the same kit theme that I used in my weekly on Monday, and that's kit 439. So I actually have the headers, all that fun stuff. I also have the bottom boxes, which I went ahead and already pre-filled because that is just going to save me so much time from writing these things down every single day. So if I could give any one piece of advice, if you're doing daily planning and tracking all kinds of habits and things like that, then go for it and go ahead and do that. So, all right, let's start with this. So we're going to do the page after Sunday. So I also kind of wanted to show you guys how I have been setting up my weeks. They have been, or my days, I should say. They have been fairly minimal, to say the least. I've just kind of been in a really busy season, so I couldn't pull out kits and things like that. Not that this still doesn't take time. This definitely still takes up some time here, but I haven't used a kit in quite a couple of weeks, I think. Oh man, haven't even filled out the monthly. Just don't know what I want to do with the monthly. Oh yeah, so it's been since July. Okay, so let's just jump right back into that, right? So we're going to use the notes page kit, and I'm going to do the Monday page, the day before Monday notes page for the week going ahead. I know that there's all kinds of oh my God, it's supposed to be for the week upcoming. I don't know. There's no rules in planning. So, or the week that just passed. I don't know. But I'm gonna do what I want to do. So yeah, I kind of like this way. I tried it a couple of weeks ago and I personally really like it. So I don't think it's that serious to get all, twisted into knots over how this page is going to look or anything like that. So that's really crooked. Now that I will lose sleep over. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like I'm going to try all kinds of different ways. There's things that you can do with these pages. Notes pages are kind of meant to be flexible, I think, right? All right, hopefully I don't have a bubble. Why? Okay, is it that? Yeah, it's the sticker that I keep putting down crooked. I did this the last time I used one, and I was I just need to line it up. I'm destroying it now, but I do need to line it up with the bottom of the page, I think. I don't know, because now the other one doesn't match. Man, I'll tell you what, you would think this was my first rodeo. This is why we can't take planning too serious, All right, let's try to get our stuff together. But now we have to fix the other one because it's all the way down here. But yeah, one of the things that I was talking to my friends about, which has me kind of excited, because I do have a 7x9 daily duo. I'm this is really sticking to my fingers. Is that where the notes page is placed makes it easy to take out the weekends. There's no fixing this. I'm leaving it alone. But you can, because of where it's placed, you can just tear out this page, which I don't need for a work planner. So I may end up doing that. I don't know. And before I get rid of that sheet, I guess I should put the date covers down. That might help me out. I don't know, you guys. I don't really know what I'm supposed to be lining this up with, but I can't get that straight to save my life. So I do still wish, I don't really care where the notes page is put. There's some people just really irate with where it's at, but I do wish that it was .grid. Not gonna lie, that's my only gripe. A notes page should never be lined. It just shouldn't be lined. It renders it pretty limiting, whereas I think .grid kind of allows you to do what you really want with it. That's just my thoughts on it that no one asked for. So there's that. I think it's because this one is tilted. I have no idea. Off camera, I'm gonna rip this page to shreds. That's what I'm gonna do. But anyway, I really like the idea of taking out the weekends in the book. So starting tomorrow, I may have a new work planner. All right, so I kind of really want to focus on these habits just while they're like top of mind while I'm thinking of them. So definitely want to track my workouts, staying away from soda. Been doing sort of good with that. And even though I'm going to track water on my daily pages, I still want to track it over here. And also no takeout, which includes lunch for me because I am notorious for just grabbing lunch down the road from work, and I really want to minimize that. I think that that's really it for right now. This whole page is like so wrinkly because none of the stickers are sitting the right way on here. All right, I do want to put our meal plan. That's what's gonna go over here. I'm not gonna like overcomplicate this page, but that's all that this is going to be for. So I know that on Monday, I can't put anything down straight, that's for sure. I know that Monday is going to be a crock pot meal. I really want to get back into the habit of that. For the longest time I was doing crock pot Mondays. It's a great way to start out the work week, is to have a no stress meal for us. Let's see, Tuesday is going to be tacos. Wednesday is going to be chicken spaghetti. And then Thursday is fend for yourself. It's the best night of the week for dinner. And then Friday is always a takeout night for us. Probably should have grabbed my tweezers. And then Saturday and Sunday, I don't plan this far out just yet. It just doesn't make sense to my brain. That's too far out. It may just be leftovers. It could be anything. Could be another night of takeout. I don't know. Okay, goals for this week, or things that are on the to-do list. So we need to pick up more air filters. Also need to follow up with our property manager for our house in Missouri because we had to order a new kitchen appliance. It was a whole fiasco. I need to follow up with them because I think it's getting delivered sometime this week. So I just need to touch base with them on that. And I need to order a new work backpack. So I have one that was purchased by us from the company that I work for, and I cannot stand it. Like, I'm trying to love it because it's free, but I just don't like it. I don't like the pocket configuration. It's a hot mess. And then I think it was a Steve Madden backpack is it's not enough space for like my giant laptop and things that I have to bring back and forth from work. All right, so definitely want to write that this is for August 15th through the 21st. All right, got most of that done. I might put some kind of cute quote over here. I just haven't quite decided yet. So, all right, let's start off with the date covers. So, oh man, there's always like, we'll start off with this one. There's always a bunch of the really loud pattern. Not that I don't love it, but I do. Yeah, there's 3 of those. So we'll do Monday, Tuesday, and I'm just gonna get the dates down before I forget the order that I need to put these in. I love the size of these. At first, when I started using the A5 Daily Duo kits from Planner Kate, which I almost just destroyed that Tuesday, I was like, wow, these are like really, really large. But I actually like the size of them now. Like, they've really grown on me, and I think that they look really, really great. I'm just destroying this kit. That's for sure. Oh my goodness. I think I feel just a little bit rushed because I'm not filming on a day that I would normally film, and I'm not a huge fan of it. Okay, so I like the pages that are next to each other to coordinate. So that's what we're gonna do here. So Wednesday, literally everything I put down is going down crooked. I don't know, it looks straight now, but I'm not even trusting myself right now with these stickers. All right, there's that one, and then do Thursday. I have a couple of weeks like this, especially with Planner Kate stickers, that will coordinate with my weekly, and I'm like really excited about that. It's not really like realistic to do that every single week because I love I also really love the days in my daily where there's no kit. I really, really do. It gives me a chance to use up some other things within my sticker collection, and I love that. So, all right, let's do Friday and Saturday. I also really love giving my book a little bit of a break from so many back-to-back headers, because even though I've only been in this book a short amount of time, you can start to feel the little bump that's forming from using so many headers. So I try to be careful with that. Again, I can't put anything down straight. All right, and then on to Sunday. And I am gonna plan out my Monday with you guys, so definitely hang tight for that. Oh no. I promise I know what I'm doing. It just doesn't seem like it right at this moment. All right, all of those are done. So now I'm gonna go back and start putting my bottom boxes in. I love these so freaking much. And I think what I'm going to do is the yellow with these, maybe, and then the red boxes here. Oh, then that's going to put pink on pink. So maybe we'll do pink. Yeah, let's do pink. Really have to think this through so that the pages don't look so overwhelming. Although part of me is like, would it really look so bad if I put the matching ones with it? Let's try that. I don't normally do that, so let's just go with it. So these are where I put my habits, and on here I put like my water, if I close my rings, my daily delete, which is just deleting emails and pictures off of my phone, skincare, AM and PM, and reading. So we're just gonna make things like really matchy-matchy this week, which is totally fine. It's just not what I normally do, and now I was like, why don't I just save myself some time and just make them match? There's nothing wrong with that. Oh my goodness. I am a master overcomplicator. I don't know about you guys, but I do that really, really well. It's something that I am an expert in. So I kind of really like the yellow pages. Those are really pretty. All right, Sunday is done. And then next, this is totally unnecessary, but I'm literally just using them because I have the kit and they're here and I might as well use them up, right? So we're gonna cover the to-do with a to-do sticker because that makes all the sense in the world. We're just trying to create, you know, the overall aesthetic, everything matching, that sort of thing. Oh my goodness. I literally only do this when I'm using these kits. Okay, so let's jump right in and start planning out Monday. So I'm gonna start with my AM routine. And of course my meds and vitamins. And then before I leave for work, I was gonna use this sticker in a different spot, but it's like the little matching crock pot. Since we are having a crock pot meal, I'm gonna put dinner prep here. All right, and now I'm gonna carve out my work time, and I'm gonna move it down just a little bit lower. My start time is not 8:30, but gotta make it work with the page. And then I'm going to use a Chrissy and Designs work sticker. These are my absolute favorite. Use them pretty much every day. And then I know I have a meeting at 11, and I think I'm going to use this little paper clip because that is just really, really cute. I'll put that there, and then I want to put my lunchtime, which I've just been using or just been writing in lunch, but I think I'm going to use this sticker for my lunchtime here. I love these because you can actually not cover the time if you don't want to, but I'm just going to cover it today. All right, and then as of right now, I don't have anything else for work in the afternoon. And then for after work, I definitely want to make time for working out, but I think it's actually going to be after dinner, so I'm going to put it down here. And I'm just going to pair it with this little dumbbell because that is too adorable. And I believe that there's a workout sticker, yep, right here on this sheet. And then for dinner time, I'm just going to use this fork and knife sticker, also from Planner Kate, that's sheet S18. As you can see, I love these a lot. All right, now let's get to the to-do list. So I think I'm going to break apart the day with these skinny strips that I used from my weekly. I love having leftovers, which kind of makes it nice because it matches. So I have leftovers from my weekly kit using the same theme. which is perfect if you're also using a daily planner. So I typically put my regular like household to-dos, anything personal here, and then all of my business to-dos right there. So definitely need to put up laundry because I will not have gotten that all done. And then vacuum downstairs. And then kind of look at our mid-month budget. Just making sure that there's nothing left that has to be paid that might be due on the 15th, but before the 1st of the month, if that makes sense. All right, and then for social stuff, I need to share the weekly plan with me that went up, go through emails, and of course, comments and messages. All right, I think that is it for today, or for Monday. I really like the way that came out. All right, guys, so that is it for my setup for the week in my daily duo plus setting up Monday. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video where it's kind of getting ready for the whole week, but also just daily planning. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you're already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.